السلام عليكم ورحمة الله نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. I am starting to the name of merciful Allah. I congratulate Honorable President, Director, Guardian and students. At first I introduce myself. My name is Sadiq. The name of my village is Koilgati. I am 10 years old. I read in class 3. The name of my madrasa is Darul Quran Nuraniya Hafizia Qawmi Madrasa. The madrasa is at a suitable place. Boys and girls of the nearby villages can come to the madrasa easily. Peoples of 5 villages, Koilgati, Jagatgati, Shivnathpur, Porsim, Mohanpur and Rajaharsar are connected with this madrasa and attached graveyard. There are 300 students and 11 teachers in our madrasa. They teach us in all subjects as Quran, Hadith, Bengali, English, Mathematics, Science and Physics. They are kind to us. Overall, I love this madrasa. I am proud to be a student of this madrasa. I want to be a scholar, inshallah. Pray for us and the madrasa. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.